In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted objects in AutoCAD without undoing other changes. Accidental deletions are a common hiccup we all face when working on detailed drawings. You might find yourself in a scenario where you're cruising along with your design without realizing that an important element has been deleted. It's not until later, when you're reviewing your project, that you notice something crucial is missing. The first instinct might be to use the undo command, but that could mean losing a lot of other important changes you've made since the accidental deletion. Fortunately, AutoCAD offers a neat solution to this problem, allowing you to restore those accidentally deleted objects seamlessly without disturbing your other modifications. So how do you go about doing this? It's actually quite simple. AutoCAD has a handy feature called Oops, a little-known yet incredibly useful command that does exactly what it sounds like. It corrects an oops moment. To activate this feature, head over to the command line, that central area usually located at the bottom of your AutoCAD workspace. Clear any existing text in the command line to ensure you're ready to input something new. Now go ahead and type the word oops right there in the command line and press enter. And there you have it. Your deleted objects are restored instantly, as if that little accident never happened, and all your work post-deletion remains intact. Let's elaborate a bit on how this works. The beauty of the oops command lies in its ability to undo the last erase operation you performed, without affecting any of the other changes or commands you've executed since. It's important to note, though, that oops only works with the erase command. If you delete something using another method, like editing a block or some specialized command, it won't be able to help in those situations. Now, while using the oops command, it's good practice to double-check your restored objects to ensure everything is exactly where it needs to be. Take a moment to review your design or drawing to verify that the restored elements are correctly positioned and still fit within your project's context. This quick check guarantees that your design continues without any unexpected surprises. This subtle yet powerful command can be a huge time saver and stress reducer, especially when dealing with complex designs where every component counts. So keep this method in your tool belt for future projects. Once you get accustomed to using it, you'll find it becomes second nature and adds an extra layer of efficiency to your workflow. That's all for today's tip. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.